What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you a straightforward guide on how to receive payments through Upwork directly to your local bank account. This method is beneficial for freelancers looking for a seamless withdrawal process from their Upwork earnings. First, visit the Upwork website and sign up for an account if you don't have one. Once you have signed up an account, complete your profile by adding your skills, experience, and a professional photo. Set your hourly rate and start applying for jobs that match your expertise. Log into your Upwork account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu and find the Get Paid tab. Look for the Add a Payment Method option and choose the Direct to Local Bank. Fill out the required fields with your bank account details like account holder, bank name, account number, and bank code, if applicable. Make sure to double check all information for accuracy to avoid payment delays. After entering your bank information, Upwork may require verification. Just follow the instructions provided, which may include confirming small test deposits made by Upwork into your bank account. Once verified, your bank account will be linked to your Upwork account. In the Get Paid section, review your payment preferences, choose how often you want to withdraw your funds, make sure to save your changes, and once you have completed a job and your funds are available, go to the Get Paid tab, select your linked local bank as the withdrawal method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and confirm the transaction. By following the steps, you can easily set up direct payments from Upwork to your local bank account. This method streamlines the payment process and ensures that you receive your earnings efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.